Hello everyone! It's just running around. I'm Ron.
And I'm Ronnie.
And today we are making decisions.
And I'm going to speak in this voice the whole day.
No. You're going to lower your voice because that's too loud. You don't want to blast people out.
Okay, I'll talk in this voice.
Yeah, that works.
Yay.
Let me check to see if this...
Please say smile.
I don't know what's better, the light on or the light off?
Light off.
Light
Makes
off?
it look cooler.
Makes it look cooler. Okay.
Makes it look
Cool.
more shadows, right? More shadows.
We're looking at this book called Understanding Coding Using Python. This is
Wait, sorry, I need to get my watch on.
section on making decisions. I have this book.
About making decisions? Is that what you just said? I need to...
Yeah, making decisions, alright? So, it says here, to write a program that allows you to make decisions, the computer needs to react differently to different answers. For this, you need conditions to compare pieces of information, and conditionals to create different paths to the programs. I guess we're just going to have to learn what that means by doing it, right? Actually, no. What are you doing? Alright, so first thing here, we have what are conditions. Alright, the condition is a section of code that compares two pieces of information. Conditions use operators, see page 9, we've done that already, to make comparisons. For example, the operator equals checks two pieces of information are the same. Okay, so open up a shell window. We know how to do that now. Yeah, let's just do idle.
Idle, you can say your work.
And then hold on, let me just put it on the screen so everybody can see what we're
But how can you get rid of these lines, remember?
Which lines? Oh, no. Those are okay for this one. But when we're doing it in the other one, we can't have it.
But can you delete it?
They're not. It's not part of the code right now, so you don't need to worry about
I know, but can you delete it while you're setting it up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They won't show up when we save our code. So, okay, we're gonna type in age equals 10. This is gonna create a variable and set the value to 10. Okay? And then we're gonna do we're gonna do age equals 12.
That honestly what happens if you do just equals.
Man, can you just follow the instructions real quick? And then we'll see what happens when we click on the next line. Click the enter. False. Because, alright, try age equals 12 now. You say you want to try age equals 12.
No, age equals 10 and age equals...
Hold on, we're on the stream right now.
Sorry, that's his wife and my mom.
Thanks for the clarification.
Then age
Equals 12.
It works.
What's it say? Age equals. So, the condition is false because age is set to 10. Let's see here. Where's that at? Because the age is set to 10, not 12. To a computer, a condition can only ever be true or false. 1 or 0. So what about age? Age equals 10. Age equals 10.
What does 2 equals mean?
That means is equal to. It's comparing. It's a condition. It's an operator. If that's not working, you got to click on the next line, man.
Really? Does not work? Then I need to get rid of...
You can't get rid of stuff on that you've already typed in.
What?
Yeah, man, it's in there. It's in there forever.
You once did it.
Because right now we're in the shell. So we gotta save it. Let me see here. Let's open the module. No. I still don't understand this part. Okay, let's try saving it. Let's call it age age 10.
No, let's call it just ages.
Age is already there, so.
Ages.
Oh, okay, that's good. Save it as ages, and then now let's try open ages. No, it's still the shell. How do we get it into run mode? It's always in shell mode. New file, recent file, module, no. Path browser, nope. We gotta ask ChatGPT. Since we don't have a real chat, anybody in real chat, we're gonna just use ChatGPT, also known as Jebediah. Alright, let's hide that. Okay. We are experimenting with the idle shell for Python programming, and there's no run option. How do we get the run option?
In idle, the run option is usually in the run menu. You can also press F5 to run your script. Just make sure you've saved your script first. If you can't find it, you might need to check the menu bar or ensure you're in the correct idle window.
It's F5.
What does?
F5 didn't work, and there's no run on the menu at the top.
That sounds unusual. You might be in the shell window instead of the editor window. Try opening a new file by going to File, New File, and writing your code there. Then you should see the run option in the menu or be able to use F5. If not, you might want to check your idle version or reinstall it to ensure everything is set up correctly.
What's the difference between the shell and whatever the other one you just said?
The shell window is where you can interactively type and run Python commands line by line. The editor window is where you write and save whole scripts or programs. You typically write your code in the editor, then run it to see the output in the shell. Think of the editor as a notepad for writing scripts and the shell as a place to see results and debug.
Yeah.
Explain it like I'm 5.
Sure. The shell is like a chat box where you talk to Python and see instant replies. The editor is like a notebook where you write down longer stories, your code, before asking Python to read them all at once.
Thank
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, got it. They should have told us that. Is there anywhere in the book where they told us that? I missed that part. File saved. Did we mess up somewhere? Hold on. What does it say here? Open the shell window. Open the shell window, click on File, New File, which brings up the code window. See, when I'm paying attention.
Can I press
Okay.
F5?
Yeah. But, I mean, there's nothing to run right now. Okay.
I'll do something very cool. 0101010110. Enter. No, that can work. 9.
You can also
divided by
do,
3.
you can do exclamation point is not equal to. You can do greater than, less than, greater than, equal, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to.
How can I make it solve this puzzle?
Press enter.
Just wait. No. Greater than 9 divided by
Oh, hold on. We can't see what's going on in this window. Okay, there we go. A
9
little
divided
bit of what's going on the screen right now.
equal is less than y is
Oh, we're getting into some real cool stuff if you want to move on to the next thing.
just wait.
Conditions.
Y plus
While he's writing that stuff down, I'm gonna move on to the next thing and let y'all know about conditionals. in your code, you need a command called a conditional. Conditionals use conditions to test if something is true or false.
Dad.
What?
Can I try this?
Yeah. Yeah, save it. So I'll call that one math, maybe?
Y and X. No, I don't want to save it yet because I have more stuff to write.
Okay. Remember, you could also do less than, greater than, all that kind of stuff. And
I used
oh
it.
yeah, you're doing that right now. Stream, we're working on some advanced math here.
That means Y is 1 bigger than X.
So then you should do something like x equals 2, and then
Oh yeah, that's a good call.
I don't know how you would find out what.
That's true.
No, you can't just do that. You can't just leave it open like that. I don't know how you would find the answer. Maybe print y. We've done print before. Print, and then in parentheses y.
How do you know? Can you?
Because we do print. Anytime we do print, like we do print name, then it prints the person's name.
But where do you find a name?
So like if you save this one, okay, let's save this. Okay, we're gonna save this one, and then what do we call it?
XYZ.
Okay, do it.
Trying to do this.
Why? Z. You can't put a bunch of special characters into the.
X comma Y
You
comma Z.
can't. Nah, just you don't need to worry about that. All right, let's run it. What's it say?
You can't do.
Cannot assign the expression here. Maybe you meant equals equals instead of equals.
That's not equals.
I don't know. It doesn't like that. So we'll take that part out. Save it and then run it. X is not defined.
It worked one time.
So it's not this is not right.
Algebra does not work.
We're not doing that right now. We don't know much about it to make that work, so alright, let's do it with conditionals. The decision trees is pretty fun. Alright, so we got this this thing, right? So you got the robot who's over here watering the tree. If it's true, it's gonna go this way. If it's false, it's gonna go this way. Okay? And so we
Okay.
use that with if. The if statement.
Okay, but
If is very important. You gotta just pay attention. Would you have a question? What's the question?
the question is, can you scroll up a little bit?
Yeah.
If you have true, how can the true thing be not correct?
I made it for you. It's in the fridge.
Now, how did this
I
work?
ate it.
How did this work?
If it's true, then it goes to two other options, either true or false. And
Oh.
if it's false, it goes into two other options.
Also, it's
true or false.
so it gives you another question.
Yeah, it's a decision tree.
Okay.
So the way it works is you have a so you start with a condition to check. If that condition is false, then it doesn't run the code. If it is true, then you run the code. So for example, look at this. if it's raining, so what's the condition that it's checking right now?
Raining.
Raining. Is it raining? And then you
No.
say no. So if it's no, you don't take an umbrella. But if it is raining, then you take an umbrella.
Okay.
Right? Does that make sense?
Mhm.
Okay. So let's open up a new. Okay, we're just gonna use this file. Yeah, we'll just use this file. Okay. Type in this one. User underscore reply.
Just wait. I can find underscore. This here's
Shift and then
user.
reply.
I don't get a lot of things that were happening before and happening right now.
I know, but as we're doing it, we're gonna learn it. Like we'll get it once we start practicing it. So equals input, and then I'll write the long part here. So the input is in quotation marks. Do you like robots? Question mark. And then type yes or no, and then close that, and then close that,
Dad,
and then close that.
I have a question.
Yes.
Is there anything that before we do that?
What are you doing?
Just wait. When you write a bigger parentheses and smaller parentheses.
No. We're not doing that. We're not doing that.
That's how you do it in math.
Yeah, but we're not doing that right now. This isn't math like that. We are doing coding right now, and coding has a very. Oh, you can try it, man. Go ahead, try it. See what happens. Okay, we're gonna enter that one. Let's try and run this then.
I want to press F5.
Okay. Invalid syntax.
Why?
It's not a real thing, man. It's not part of the coding language. This isn't math. This is coding. This is called Python. And you need to learn the way that they do it in Python. The same way that you don't say hello in Korean, right?
Hmm?
You say something else. It's a different language.
Mhm.
Okay, let's try now. See how that runs. Try F5. Alright. Do you like robots? Yes or no? Type
Kind-
yes.
Okay, I'll do yes. Even if I want to write kind of.
This says yes or no. Okay? Nothing happened. Why did nothing happen?
Because there's nothing else to write. Like, do you like?
We didn't make any code. So now let's do if. If user
reply
replies
yes.
yes is equal to, so this is where we're using the this is where we're checking to see. This is the equal to. Oh, the other equal to is a different thing.
What does 2 equals mean?
Double equals is your one equal means it is that thing. 2 equals is checking to see if it's that thing.
But what does that mean?
1 is that thing.
Like
1
X,
is checking
so you
to
can
see
do
if
X
it's that
equals
thing.
3, right?
Yeah. And then so you would say X equals 3. True. X equals 4.
False.
Why?
Because already X equals
Because X equals 3. We've already set it. X is that thing, right?
Yeah.
But equals is checking to see if it's that thing. Okay, keep going. Underscore reply.
I can do the long part.
The long part is equals yes.
Equals yes.
Okay. Oh, and then yes needs
Then
to
you
be in
Quotation marks.
Yeah, quotation marks.
But why?
Because it looks like that's what the user is going to put in. If the user puts in yes. Okay.
If user reply yes
Uh-huh.
equals something, right?
And then it looks like you have to put a colon afterwards. I don't know what the colon's for, but no. Oh, you doing that? Okay, that's fine. And then the colon. The colon is a shift and this one.
Oh.
Okay, and then let's see. Okay, and then press return.
Enter.
Yeah, enter. Oh, okay. Ooh, look, it indented it a little bit. Python uses blank spaces known as indents to group lines of code together, so the computer knows what to do next. Lines with the same indent run as a block from top to bottom, whereas indented. Well, this is kind of like this is very similar to Scratch, right? If yes, right, we used to do it with the blocks.
Mm-hmm.
If yes, then run this code, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this one we want to print beep boop.
Beep boop.
Yeah. Here. Look at
That's
this.
funny.
Print beep boop. Print beep boop.
Oh, you print it in your printer after work tomorrow.
Mm.
Beep boop with an exclamation. Beep boop. Such silly, right?
Mm.
You didn't make this book, right?
I did not make this book.
You don't know Python.
What are you doing, dude? Type. Print and then yup. Parentheses, and then quotation marks. Beep boop.
Just like
Oh,
I'll
you forgot
write,
the quotation
but I'll
marks.
write beep boop first.
Okay.
But I didn't write beep boop first. On purpose. Oh. Oops. Dad, why do they put the quotation marks on the bottom, the one that you use more? Why do you have to press shift instead of why don't they just make the comma up above? What do you use more?
Commas.
Quotation mark? What?
Commas. Use commas more. Okay. Print beep boop. Alright?
Oh, I forgot to write the exclamation point.
Don't forget that very important exclamation point.
Beep boop. Beep boop.
Okay, come on.
Where is that?
Exclamation point should be shift 1.
Alright, I forgot.
Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and save this code.
Where's the
And then
period?
Run it. Press F5. Alright, we've got the code running here. XYZ. Type in yes.
I wonder what happens if you write now.
Try both things. Yes. Beep boop. Alright, type in no.
Nothing happens.
Nothing will happen. So
Then we'll write
if
if
we
user reply no.
well, now we're gonna do else.
Oh.
Else. It's like else is if the condition is not met. If they don't write yes,
Poor
then you
robot.
do else. And then you're gonna do else
Well, robots don't like you either.
else, and then this one's gonna print out, well, robots don't like you. Do they?
That. Oh. Else. I don't want to type that one in. I don't want to run the code for it. No. Okay?
What are you gonna do? Well, later on it says else here. Your human nonsense offends us.
What does that mean?
Your human nonsense.
What does that mean? Offends us. What does offend?
Offends us means makes us angry.
Yeah. If user reply is else. But where's the thing where it says they'll revenge us?
Offend us?
Yes.
Here. Else print your human nonsense offends us. You gonna do that one?
Yeah, I want to do maybe. Make up your mind, you.
Oh yeah, so
Oh,
here
if user
here we can add in yes, no, maybe, or only ones with laser eyes.
zap.
Zap.
Your human's nonsense offends us.
Oh. Hey man, what are we doing?
Good thing I just made
I
it.
get it. So if you write no, so here, this is actually pretty funny. So if you write no, you can set this up for mom too if you wanna write this code out and then have mom come in and try it.
Oh yeah.
So if we type yes, then it's beep boop. Maybe, make up your mind. Only ones with lasers, zap.
But why?
No, well, robots don't like you either. And then if there's anything else that's not besides this, if you just type in like whatever, then they'll say your human nonsense offends us. Do you get it? So it's like setting it up. You're setting
Can
it
you
up.
write hi, but then your human nonsense offends us? That doesn't make any sense. Why are you angry if a human says hi to you?
Because you're not answering the question, right?
That's true.
If you're not answering the question, then it's nonsense. If somebody asks you a question and you say hi, that's nonsense. Do you want me to write these ones out?
No.
Type them out?
I just need to find something that's called an apostrophe. Oh, I found.
So either period,
No.
quotation mark.
Oh, right. Period goes first.
And then parentheses, close parentheses. And then I gotta put a space here. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, there's no undo. Oh, stop. Okay. So we can run that.
Dad, but I don't want to write no. I don't robots not like it.
Well, it's not like you either. Okay. So that one we have two, right? Yes or no. So we have an if and an else. Do you get if and else?
Yes.
What about elif? Elelif.
Yeah, why?
That's else if. That's
Else if. What does that mean? Else.
that comes after if, and then if it's not if
Or else.
and it's not else,
It's else if.
it's else if. Elif.
Aleph.
And else isn't very specific. It's like replying to none of the above. Elif allows your program to have more branching paths and for each of those paths to unfold when users give a specific answer. Oh, here.
This
There's
is
a
a-
pretty nice illustration here. So you could picture if, elif, and else as a conveyor belt staffed by robots. If gets the first pick, then elif, finally, else sweeps anything that's left over. So going down the wing, I get the first choice. Ching. Nope. Doesn't go to the first choice. I get the second choice. Ding. Doesn't get the no choice, right? He gets one, he gets two, anything else goes into the else machine.
So else gets
I got
the-
all the rest.
But else gets everything, but just doesn't. Else gets everything, but just gets everything at last.
You want me to type this one out?
No.
Do you understand the
Yes.
concept?
Oh no. Phew. Okay, then it's going to be another Aleph.
Oh, but it looks like you're in. Okay, there we go. We want to make sure it's lined up.
Aleph.
Oh, and actually, elif is we're gonna do the same thing here. Wait. Well, let's just copy user reply, and then maybe we can paste this in every time, right? Oh, did I cut it?
Yeah, you did.
I thought I copied it. So we'll just copy all of this. Copy, and then space. This is to save time. Space, okay, and then.
I know.
Actually, we can copy this whole line right now. Hold on. Copy this. Right? Let's save
Yeah,
us
but this
some.
one's else.
And then the last one.
No, this one's else.
Ah, this one's else. So else we can just do say anything else. Okay? And then these ones are all print. So we'll just get you started here.
Kickstarter.
Tab it here. Bonk. Bonk. So what's our first reply? Our first reply is actually we need to do this. Yes. Yes, no, maybe. Yes, no, maybe.
Only ones with laser eyes.
Or only ones with laser eyes. Okay, so if yes, beep boop. If
No.
no, let's do if maybe.
I want to do maybe.
Okay. Well, oh no, this is. Oh, you're right. If no. Okay. And then maybe. Make sure we have the quotation and the closer. Okay, you can type in the next.
Then this will be. Well,
Zap. Oh no,
no.
this one is make up your mind, human.
What if you do answer the question, but you do like only ones with use laser eyes? What if you say only ones with? Dad, you didn't write only ones with laser eyes here.
Yeah, I wrote it here.
I know, but you didn't write it here. You're supposed to write elf user reply.
I didn't get to that one yet, man. You were gonna type
Oh,
in this one first.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Make up.
Human. Oh, what are you doing?
Because I press.
You gotta put this in there. Can't forget those.
Got
Okay, and then only ones with laser eyes. Let's do the zap.
That's easy to type in.
And then exclamation point, quotation mark.
But can you get rid of this when Mom comes in?
Which one? Oh yeah, our code.
Or Mom will know what to say.
Right.
Don't want that to happen.
We don't want that to happen. Close parentheses. Alright, and then I'll do this one. Print your human nonsense offends us.
No, it's a period.
Is it just a period?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's save the code. Let's run the code. What's that? Ah. Oh. Ah. Do we not? We don't need this. Do we not need these? Oh, we don't need these.
And we need the colon.
Ah, we need colons for these. Ah, that's why it wasn't making a new. That wasn't making a new line. Okay, that's good to know. Okay, let's try to run that.
That's the one that we didn't
No, this one we didn't put the.
start.
Oh, and then this. Are there supposed to be?
No.
Yeah, it
Oh,
says
that.
print.
Wait. This one's supposed to be the one with the colon. This
Yeah,
one's
there we go,
the
there
one
we go.
that's not.
You're right. Good call.
And get rid of this one. This.
No. Oh, yeah. Good call. Okay. That looks good.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Make up your mind, you. That. But we need to get.
Yeah, we'll run it again. And go, la la la. And say, you're human nonsense offense.
Dad, we need to.
How do we get rid of all this stuff? On the new restart the shell. I want to clear the shell. Interrupt execution, debug. Okay, we'll just save this. Save it. No, I saved it. And then we're gonna open x23.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna run this guy. Okay. Go get your mom.
Okay, and get rid of this, Dad.
Okay. We'll just minimize it. I got it. I'm just gonna minimize it, man. You're making it crazy. Okay.
엄마, 여기 와봐. 엄마 한번 해봐. 이거 여기 와야 돼.
Appa?
So I can help.
Oh, you've been here the whole time? Well, you haven't been listening. Okay, good. All right, don't look at this screen. Ronnie made a code here. Don't look at this screen.
Oh no.
Oh, it's like I said, look.
No, I'm just watching that.
Okay, you have to come and type something on the computer.
Or you can type it for her.
It's good, man. Just move. Read what it says. Do you like robots? Yes, no, maybe. Yes, I do.
No,
Your human nonsense offends
no,
us.
you're not supposed to write yes, I
You
do.
have to write yes.
Type yes,
No.
no, maybe, or
Right.
only ones with laser eyes. You're supposed to do just yes.
All right. We'll try it again. Okay. Do you like robots? Yes, no, maybe, or only ones with laser eyes? Maybe. It says, make up your mind, human. Ronnie made that code. do you
Yeah,
think?
it's from the book.
Isn't that good? It's amazing code. Yeah.
See?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Dad, just wait.
That's all. Oh, we got another person watching. So if there's another person in here and if you want to answer the question, put it in the chat. Do you like robots?
No.
We're just going to run it again. Yes, no, maybe, or only ones with laser eyes. We'll give you 30 seconds to answer.
30, 29.
Oh, was that a heart? Oh no, that's me. I'm putting those hearts in there. Oh, that's cool.
30. I think this was a long time ago.
All right,
Dad, but
closing the stream. Yeah.
no, Dad, think about this.
Yeah.
The time is behind for them, right? They're not listening to what you're saying. They're listening
Oh, that's true.
2 minutes before.
There's a little bit of latency. That's true.
So that's why we have to wait. What are we doing right now? I need to hear what we're doing.
What we're doing? I'm doing the song. That's the Jeopardy song.
Long time ago. Your time's up.
Yeah, now the time's really up. So
The game's up.
we'll keep it going while we do our exit, but this is just running around. I'm Ron.
Sorry for putting my tongue out. My name is Ron.
I'm Ron,
I'm Ronnie. Okay, I'll call you Ron from now on.
and we'll see you tomorrow night at 7 o'clock.
No, not 7 o'clock. Like 7:00, like around 7:15.
Around 7 o'clock.